I don't think people understand how simple perfection can. 1 bowl, 5 minutes of mixing, pure cookie joy. Stick with me. Start with the basics. 1 cup softened butter, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla. Beat butter and sugar until fluffy. Add eggs, and vanilla. In a separate bowl whisk, 3 cups flour, a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt. Slowly fold dry into wet until dough comes together. Don't overmix. Here's the trick. Chill the dough for 30 minutes. It firms up so your cookies keep a soft center and clean edges. Scoop into balls, roll into balls, press slightly, sprinkle a little sugar on top. Bake at 350°, 175°, for 8–10 minutes. Watch the edges. Golden is perfect, and the middle will set as they cool. Result: tender, buttery sugar cookies, with a melt-in-your-mouth center and just enough chew. Perfect for decorating, dunking, eating straight from the tray. Call to action. Try this tonight. Take 1 bite and pretend it was meant for just you. Want the full recipe and tips? Link in the description.